In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the amplifier module on your QSC K12.2. I had a pair of K12.2s where the sound was cutting off and they were brand new. I realized that I had to return them back to QSC to have them replaced. There are only 8 screws that need to be taken out. Once you've unscrewed all 8 screws, use 2 flathead screwdrivers to lift up the amp module. Do this very gently because there is a plug on the inside that it's connected to.